If you're looking to sell your house for cash in Cincinnati or anywhere in Ohio, you have come to the right spot. My name's Dustin with 6daycashbuyers.com. And today, if you're interested in selling your house, we would like to give you a cash offer on your property. One of the things with us is we're not like a traditional real estate company. There's no closing fees, there's no title fees. We handle everything, and we can get you cash for your house in as little as 6 days. A lot of folks go the traditional route where they list their property with a real estate agent, and in some situations that may be the best option for you. If you're okay having the property on the market for 30 to 60 days and having often a chance of it not following through at the end, I'm not putting real estate agents in a bad light here, but I'm just talking about the reality of the situation. If you're looking to sell your property for 100% of its value and wait 30 to 60 days, then definitely a real estate agent could be your best option. However, if you need to sell this thing fast and you want cash now, 6-day cash buyers, that's what we do. So below this video is a link to our website, 6daycashbuyers.com. Go ahead and click that link, enter your property details, and what's gonna happen next is one of our friendly team members will give you a call, discuss the details on the property, and give you a range of what we can offer for the house over the phone today. From there, if we agree on a range, what we'll do is we'll have somebody come out and check out your house probably today or tomorrow. We'll do a quick walkthrough, we'll have the paperwork in hand, and as I was mentioning, we can close within as little as 6 days to get you the cash you need to move on to the next phase of your life. If you have foreclosures or tax liens or looming debts that need to be paid now, then we are here to help. We also help you facilitate if you need to get the moving van set up. Anything we can do, we help you to make the move go smoothly. So if you want a cash offer today, give us a call or click the link below, go to our website. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're always doing updates as well for tips on selling your house if you're looking to go a little more of the traditional route. So once again, thanks for watching. Click the link, and we're looking forward to talking to you about a cash offer on your house.